ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. Hit that. Say it loud and proud. Hit that like button. I'm in Maryland Zone 7B. Shout out your grow zone down in the comments. It's 76 degrees out. Weather people say sunny conditions for the rest of the day. Okay, so I was thinking, all right, let's get outside, enjoy the weather, breathe in some of this fresh air. It's always good for the mental. Okay, don't worry about my grass and weeds. Worry about your own. So I'm thinking these planters are pretty empty. Let's go ahead and plant some flower seeds and get these babies filled up. I like color, color, color. As much as I enjoy growing tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers and melons in the summertime, I'm talking Delta, I'm talking to the ELOCs right now, okay? No. I've been kissed by a dog. As much as I love growing all of those summer crops, I equally enjoy flowers in my garden. I love the beauty and the color of flowers. I must have flowers. All right, so speaking of flowers, I've got tons and tons of seeds here. Lots of these seeds I've picked up from the dollar store. I've got petunias here, morning glory. Oh, this will be good here. Move that back there. Bachelor buttons. Let's see. This is some alyssum. I think I'm gonna plant this somewhere else. Not in those. I don't know. I may put some in those containers back there. Let's see. This is more morning glory. Let's see. California poppy. Oh, I love that burst of yellow. Love me some yellow. Oh, there's another variety of bachelor button. Love the zinnias. So we've got that one, which is the Giants of California, mixed colors. And then there's this is the Lilliput. Oh, Sweet William. I've never grown this one before, so I am excited about that one. Semi-dwarf Pamela. That's another zinnia. I'll throw some Shasta daisies. I always love a pop of white in whatever colorful arrangement that I'm doing. It pops. It does something. Black and white, they're anchor colors. Always got to have some white mixed in there. It really makes a difference. I mean, look at the color packet there. You see that white flower, that one white flower that's in there amongst all the color? You see how it just pulls everything else together? It pulls it. Yeah. So 2 morning glories here. 2 to the, oh, and this one too, poppies. Isn't that pretty? Oh, and I forgot I have sunflower seeds from last year. These were really pretty. So that's what we're gonna plant. So all of these are gonna get planted in those brown planters that I just showed you. Fluff up this soil. It's just been sitting all winter. Aerate this soil a bit. Wake up, wake up. It's time to party. Okay, so we've got all of our soil all fluffed up. Fluff, fluff, fluff. All ready for some seeds. It's all fluffy. I still have some plants in here that I think I'm going to probably going to pull this stuff out of here actually. Dak. Now I know this is cilantro and I don't want to pull this out. I may just trim it back a little bit, but I want to leave that because I love cilantro. So last year I planted the sunflower seeds in the middle of the plant. Oh no, I just dropped a bunch of sunflower seeds. Crap. Let me get these up. You might have some sunflower seeds growing here later. I dropped a ton of these on the ground, but I was able to find most of them, I think. So I'm going to plant these in the middle of the planter, since they're going to be the tallest plant. I did that last year and it worked out well, so I'll do it again this year. This is from a sunflower I grew last year, so I'm also going to plant up some of these seeds as well. Okay, so we're going to start with the zinnias first. All right, I got caught up doing some other things, but I went ahead and planted all of the seeds, and now I'm going to water everything in. Okay, everything is all watered in. Now I'll be updating you guys on the progress. Why? Why are you here? All right, so we have some germination. I'm seeing some green bits. We have germination. All right, that's 1 week later. I'll bring you back in another week. I had fun. I hope you guys did too. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.